Hey there, and welcome to She Speaks AI. And I'm Tesha Colston. I'm so glad that you are here. And on this channel, we're all about empowering you to use AI and the latest tech tools to take your business and your life to the next level. So, whether you're managing a side hustle, running a community, or looking to grow your brand, I'm here to give you some practical, easy to follow tips and strategies so that you can get the most out of AI without all the overwhelm. From tutorials on time-saving tools to creative ways to engage your audience, you're going to find everything you need right here. Also, I'll share how AI can simplify your work so that you have more time for the things that matter the most. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Let's get started on this journey to making tech work for you. I can't wait to help you make big moves with a little AI power. Welcome to the She Speaks AI family.